So hi, this is Gautam, Auto Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So this is our orthographic view, which is we have discussed in earlier class. So I am going to some recall of what is meant by orthographic and how the first angle projection will be replicated and third angle projection will be replicated and what is the difference between for the first angle and third angle as we discussed in last class and previous slide. Just just we are going to see here just some recall what is meant by first angle and what is meant by third angle, right? In the if your product will be in first sorry front view, that front view will be replicated into your vertical portion, which here is a blue in first angle projection, blue slide, blue area. Then top view will be in the vertical plane, okay, it will be in the orange area. Then side view will be in the red area, okay. This is a first angle projection. Then comes under third angle projection. See that the same drawing will be applicable, but the portion will be different. The in first angle position, the okay, the same diagram will be replicated here, but the portion will be different. Front in third angle position, the front view will be in a vertical plane, okay. Horizontal plane will be in a sorry, top view will be in a horizontal plane. This is some major difference between first angle and third angle, okay. Next, get into the topic of our current area. This will be your project. This will be your project. Okay, can you identify why the project will be replicated here and our this is our front view and top view? Yes, and side view, right side view. Can you understand? Okay. Next, two view of drawing, which is nothing but third view of no significant color counters for the particular object. Just I have shown here for your reference. This is one object. In this object, the front view will be placed here. Can you understand what I am saying? And our top view will be this. Only two view. There is no side view. Okay. Here, just for example, the first angle projection, what I have discussed earlier, the first angle projection, front view, top view, side view. Front view, top view, side view. Here is the first angle projection. And third angle projection, same object, but the portion will be different. Front view, top view, side view. So this is some simple for how to identify the first angle and third angle projection. As I cleared and discussed earlier clearly, so this is some simple simple representation for your identification. First angle and third angle. Next one, dimensioning. How the product will be dimensioned and how it will be identified for the particular product or particular dimension. Just I have shown here some representation. Here's the dimension example. How to mention for one circle will be here. It will be mentioned as a diameter simple here, and one arc will be in our diameter. Sorry, diagram. We should mention is a R 15 or R something. This is for your understanding. First one is the right dimension. Second one is incurrent dimension. Because of the dimension will be replicated in the outside of the part, outside of the diagram. Can you understand? Outside of the diagram, the dimension will be should be mentioned. The same problem here. The correct dimensions are outside of the diagram. Here is the second diagram, which is the inside of the diagram. The same. See, here is the some lettering. How to letter and how to write the letter in a drawing sheet. Just I have shown here some examples. This is also one of the example of lettering. And yeah, this is the major part we are going to draw, which is engineering drawing. First one is circle, oval, triangle, square, trapezium, diamond, rhombus, parallelogram, rectangular, pentagonal, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. So this is some shapes what we have gone through or what we are going to do in our engineering graphics. This is some example for you for your better understanding. And this is our curved surface, what curved surface we are going to draw, etc. This is our scale as I mentioned in the previous slide and previous class. And this is a pentagonal diagram, how should draw the pentagon and how should